let me just show you. So this is their, from earlier this year, their new 5 pans. And it doesn't look, and I took pictures too. It doesn't really, let me show you. It doesn't really like have the same colors. So these might be similar to some of these, but these are matte and these are more of a metallic or shimmer. Definitely not like like that one. And I thought it might be the same colors as in their petalette, but it's not. Not at all. Again, these colors are gonna be similar. So I'm not really sure. They're similar, but they're not quite the same because again, the other ones look more like metallic-y. Definitely not gonna be like this one. So here are the 10 pans. No similarity with that one. Even with the ones, I don't think there's a similarity in this one. The black. There is a black one in this one, so you got that. Just the black. See, no other color. So that's what made me want to get it. So yeah, just wanted to give you those comparisons, show you, and next week, you know, to honor my friend's gift, I will be doing my ColourPop. But I think the only way I'll ever get ColourPop in the future is if I get it through Ulta. I'm not even sure. There's certain things, like there's a black flame candle, which is not black, it's purple. It's in a little black bucket. It doesn't look anything like the black flame candle. And then the mirror. I didn't see the mirror. I really like that mirror. It was a black cat, which black cats are not bad luck. I had a black cat. He was the best cat I ever had. And one day he just disappeared. I couldn't bring him. I remember when I moved from New York to New Jersey, I couldn't bring him, so I left him with my mom. And then my mom left him with my brother. And then he was an outdoor cat, unfortunately, and I never let him out, but my mother does let her cats out, and unfortunately he never came back one day. But anyway, so black cats are not bad luck. That's silly superstition. But they had the black cat mirror, and with Bink saying "I'll be with you always" to Danny. So I didn't see that, and that sold out on the ColourPop website too. But you know, if I ever want anything in the future, again, I don't want to get into ColourPop. I do admire some of their palettes, but just as I said last time, I never want to get into them. But it'll probably be through Ulta because I don't want to take advantage, and that's my friend again. You know, I don't want to take advantage of her. So I'm just gonna do the look with those, and I don't think I'll be buying anything unless it's something I really, really, really like. And you know, like if they did an I Dream of Jeannie collection, you know, something like that. You know, other than that, I don't know if I would. They might do a Hocus Pocus 3 collection. I don't know, but it'll have to be through Ulta. So yeah, so since my friend gave me that gift, I am gonna probably do some looks with those palettes that I had gotten from them. And I'm gonna get some bad reviews on social media. I already went on Piss Consumer. I already did Instagram, Facebook, and now they gave me another place to give them a bad review, and I'm gonna also give them a bad review on the Better Business Bureau, on Yelp, whatever I can do, whatever, I'll do it, because you know that's just absolutely wrong what they did to me. So anyway, okay, so I will see you guys next week. Take care. Love you. Mwah.